Well, I've taken a bit more of a cynical, nuanced view of the dynamic in the oil market right now. And I'm really, frankly, not all that convinced that this is an all-out fistfight between Saudi Arabia and Russia. I think it might be a little bit more of a veiled attempt, frankly, by both of them to take a swipe at U.S. E&P while U.S. E&P has been shut out of the capital markets. And the dance that they're doing right now around this upcoming Thursday meeting, I think is just that. I think it's a dance, and I think it creates the narrative that they want most people to believe, but I'm not sure that it's quite true.
So that implies not much upside from crude from here, if any. I mean, obviously demand is down tremendously and looks like it'll stay that way for a little while. So where does that bring you in terms of a broader kind of investment strategy for the energy sector and other parts of the market?
I think, look, I do, by the way, think on Thursday we get some sort of a deal that just makes it look as if there's cooperation afoot. But let's face it, at oil prices this low for U.S. E&P, it doesn't really matter very much because even the Permian producers have break evens in the low 40s. And so I think, unfortunately, the next bit of pain now will come from the defaults that are likely to arise, especially because now capital markets are closed. And for that reason, even though obviously valuations in the sector are depressed, I think it's actually time to sort of wait and see relative to who the survivors are in the space, and then wait to fix spots after the damage has been done in full.
Are you not convinced, Peter, that President Trump can intervene in a bigger way? I mean, he's already said he's spoken to both of them, that they will make a deal. He's met with the energy executives. He's clearly focused on this issue.
Hi, Sarah. Nice to see you. Yeah, look, I don't really think that he has perhaps as much influence as one might think in this situation. If we remember at a G20 meeting not all that long ago, there's quite a bit of camaraderie between the Saudis and the Russians. The Russians are well positioned to withstand this. Yes, it does hurt them in the short term. Yes, it does hurt the Saudis in the short term. But I think this is a bit of a longer game for them than it is for us. And I think their interests, in fact, are quite aligned relative to what it's going to do to U.S. E&P companies, unfortunately.